Today we're looking at the PIR, which is a passive infrared sensor. It's used to pick up on movement. It picks up infrared signals and it does that using heat. You get 3 pins, you get signal, power, and ground. The signal can only send zeros and ones, therefore it is a digital signal that it is sending, and we will therefore use digital pins in our code. We then have power, so we're going to take that and we're going to wire it up to the 3 volts, and we're going to make it red for power. We're then going to go ahead and take our ground and wire it up to ground, and that's obviously going to become brown. Let's change it to brown for ground. So now we just want to know what the signal is that it's going to send. So we're just going to go and figure out when there's movement, is it going to send a 1 or a 0? So on start, we can keep that smiley face to know that it's worked. And we're going to want to forever show string or actually number, and we want to show the number that we're reading on the pin. So input, and we're going to digital read, and we're going to pin 0 because our digital pin is on pin 0, and let's start the simulation. Cool. So without movement it's at 0, and now let's try and make movement. Okay, so when there is movement it's going to display 1. Cool, so now we can use that in our code. So now we know when there's movement it will show a 1, when there's no movement it will show a 0. Please always remember to take a look at the board when wiring your PIR, as the pins may change from one unit to the next. Now that we know movement equals 1 and no movement equals 0, we can use this in our following projects to help us code and create new automations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped. Bye.